This is a conversation you can't afford not to have. If you're thinking about getting in the car business, you're already getting in the car business, you got to have the conversation with your significant other. Or if you're going to get a new boyfriend or a new girlfriend and you're already in the car business, you better have this conversation before things get too serious, because the car business is unpredictable. You might be getting off at 5, 6, 7 o'clock at night. That's your schedule. And a customer walks in, and next thing you know, you're not getting out of there till 9 o'clock. What are you going to do? Send pictures to your girlfriend? Let her know, I'm still here? Be worried about it all the time? No, you're going to have a conversation with her or him and let them know that, hey, sometimes in this business, I'm going to be late. And you know what? There's going to be times on my day off that I'm going to take a phone call because I'm going to take care of my customers and I'm going to try to make a living that can support me and you. That's what I'm going to try to do. And so I can't have you give me a hard time for that. Okay, this business is very lucrative for those who want to put in the work. But if you want to be part-time, you're probably going to earn part-time money. So have this conversation. If you don't, I promise you, it's going to be a lot of headache and a lot of bullshit. I promise. So have this conversation. Okay, have it early on. Set the ground rules and the expectations that this might happen. You'll do your best to have it not happen because you do want a work-life balance, but it's going to happen, especially at the start, and especially if you're a real hustler and you really want to get it happening. This job, there is no days off if you want to be really, 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 really good at it. Till later, then you can kind of get everything, situated the way you want. But at first, it ain't possible.
This one's for the ones who keep going, even when life's got them on the ropes. Hustle over talent,